What's going on?
My wife has handcuffed me. I need assistance right away.
What happened?
My wife has handcuffed me.
Okay,
She's attacking me. She's handcuffed me. Pair of handcuffs.
Okay.
She has handcuffed me. She's attacking me. I have not done anything to hurt her. She has a record of violence. Please come and help me get out of here.
Okay, where is she, sir? Where is she now?
I'm holding her down so I can call you. Please send someone.
Is there any way that you can lock yourself in another room?
No, she's handcuffed herself to me. Please send police.
Okay, is she hurting you, sir? Do you need an ambulance?
No, I don't need an ambulance. I need police.
What's her name?
Helen Sun. She has a history of violence. Please.
Has there been any drinking involved?
No.
Any drunk?
No.
And your name, sir?
My name is Robert Jabba.
Are there any weapons in the house?
I don't know, knives and such. I don't know what she got before she handcuffed me. There could be no... Ow! Ow!
What is she doing now, sir?
Yeah, she's digging her head. Ow! She's bothering me. Are they almost here? I can't get to the door to open it.
Okay, is it locked?
The door's locked.
Okay, so they're going to have to break in?
Yes.
What started this, sir? Do you know? Why did she do this?
Because I divorced her, or started leaving her, and... Ow! Oh, God!
What is she doing that's making...
She's biting my arm!
Is there any way that you can put something so she can't bite you?
No! I'm just trying to use every hand to keep her away from me.
No pillow?
I need help!
Okay, they've been on the way, sir, since you first gave me the address. I'm just trying to keep you on the phone to make sure that everything's okay. Does she have any knives or anything that she can grab or anything?
I don't know what she has.
They've been on the way for a couple minutes now.
Thank you. I'm so sorry.
She just came out of nowhere and handcuffed you?
Yes, when I woke up.
Where in the house are you?
Oh, in the back bedroom.
Back bedroom?
There's back bedroom.
Okay,